Today I have an Hermes unboxing. This is something I ordered online and had shipped to my store, so I had no issues with FedEx this time. Thank goodness. And this is a very versatile piece, so stay tuned, see what I got, see how you can use it. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. So today's unboxing is from Hermes. I picked this up just the other day, and this item is still available on the Hermes website in a few different colors. There is a receipt in my bag, and let's jump right into unwrapping this thing, see what I got. I'm excited about this piece. As soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted it, but I went back and forth about it a little bit, only because I've ordered several similar items in recent days and weeks and months. So let's see, it is a scarf. Let's do the unfurling. I really enjoy the unfurlings. Okay, here we go. Unfurled. Yes. That's really fun. There's not really a top or bottom to this one, but let me scooch back so you can see the whole thing. Here it is. This is the Masson and Masson 90 centimeter silk scarf. And this colorway has a tan background with orange and kind of a reddish pink horse heads. It's a beautiful scarf, but it has some history behind it, behind the design, and it's really interesting, I think. And it also has 4 different corners, and the corners on scarves are always really important to me because when you wear them, typically the corners are very prominent. It also has a very interesting center piece if you were to fold it, where you can see the center, which is another common fold for scarves. So let me read to you what Hermes says about this scarf design from their website, and then I'll show you the corners and a couple ways to wear it. It's currently available in 3 different colorways besides this one. One is very orange dominant, one is blue dominant, and one is red and pink and white. Here is the story behind the scarf. In Thailand, where they flourish, water hyacinths are collected, then dried in the sun before being woven. They're used for basketry to create various objects such as baskets, hats, sandals, and animal-shaped toys. The Masson, which means woven horse in Thai, is one of them. The designer, whose name I will not even try to pronounce, but I will have the scarf linked below so you can see the name there, was one of the 6 winners of the Grand Prix du Carré Hermes, launched in 2019. And the designer took inspiration from this ancestral expertise to create a striking and majestic piece. So I'll hold this up where you can see the red horse head best, and you can tell on the corners and throughout the horse heads that the design is woven pieces of this material that they described, woven in a way that makes the horse heads, sort of, at least the horse bodies down here, and part of the mane. The head itself doesn't look terribly woven, but then the outside of the horse head, the design along the edges, is a woven material, which is really pretty. It has a very graphic element, but also a very organic element. This is a very versatile scarf design, in my opinion, because one of the most popular folds for wearing your scarf is to fold your scarf into a triangle. And when you do that this way, you have the orange head prominent, or you can turn around and get a completely different look with the red head prominent. And I'll come closer and show you the 4 corners, which are all different. First of all, notice that it has a contrasting hem, in this case blue, along the edge, which is a very nice detail. This corner says Masson and Masson, which is the name of the scarf, and then Hermes Paris. The corner opposite that one has the weave, and then you'll notice the blue H, which matches that contrasting hem. The other 2 corners are what I find most exciting, perhaps about the scarf overall, but definitely about the 4 corners. At the base of the orange horse, you have that blue H again, and then right above that you have 2 orange horses, tail to tail, absolutely adorable. In fact, because they're orange right here, they look a little bit like giraffes to me. Oh, and I also found a little signature here, some initials that I'm guessing that are initials of the artist. On the corner opposite that one, you have the same thing, but with the pink-red horses. And by the way, the color that's coming across in the video, at least on my end, is very accurate accurate. This is a difficult color to describe, but I think those are adorable. And with those corners being all different, you can choose what you want to feature depending on how you wear it. So you could wear it like this with the two red horses prominent. You could turn it around backwards and have the two orange horses prominent. If you have the large orange horse head prominent, you will have the blue H. And if you have the large red horse head prominent, you'll have the name of the scarf in Hermes Paris. And since that blue H appears in 3 corners, if you wrap it around like this, of course I would adjust this better and fix my hair and everything, but if you wrap it around like this and you have all 3 corners showing, then you can get the H visible in all 3 corners. Or you could mix it up, have the name of the scarf with 2 H's. It's up to you. And I've got the 2 little horses on the 2 end pieces here. So that's why I find this scarf so versatile. And then, you tuck this under my chin, you see the blue weaving right here in the middle? Well, that says Hermes. So if you fold it where that Hermes is showing, you could wrap it around your neck like so, tie it in the back. You could wrap it around your hair if you're someone where a silk scarf won't fall off your head like it does with me. You could wrap it around as a belt. Now you have an Hermes belt. Tie it in the back, very pretty. Or you could have the Hermes in the back or on the side, however you want to tie it, you figure that out. But do you see what I mean? This scarf is so versatile. There's so much you can do with it. I mean, the folds, the way you wear it, it's all the same as every other scarf, but because of its design, which is very carefully thought out, you get lots of different looks with the one scarf. So for me, this would be a great scarf for your money. Now, I did pay full price for this. It's something that's still currently in some stores and online. My sales associate, when I picked this up from her, she said that they had these in the store a few months ago and they sold out pretty quickly. But I've seen them on the website and they've been there for at least a few weeks. So if you want one, I'd recommend going to pick it up. I will also link any that I find on the pre-loved market because I've seen some in different colorways and some below retail, some above, that are also really beautiful. So if you're looking for an Hermes scarf, oh, and it does, on the corner that just has the 1H, I just saw this, you see where it says Hermes right there, the little copyright symbol. Anyway, if you are looking for an Hermes scarf that'll give you a lot of bang for your buck, give you different looks, instead of having to buy multiple scarves, this is a fantastic option. So I will have it linked below, everywhere I can find it. And here's a close-up of the tags in case you're interested in seeing that. It says Carré Twill, Masson and Masson. It has the colorway, the barcodes, and then here is the care tag, made in France, 100% silk, and dry clean only. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something about this scarf or Hermes scarves in general. I hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Bye.